Okay, mag-unboxing tayo na binili ko from Northwest NEC, no? 1999 pa pala sila, no? Anyway, para na makita nyo kung anong pinagbibili ko, nauubos pera ko. Okay? So this one, Mike Francis, it's medyo mahal, no? But it's a collector's vinyl, 180 gram audiophile, 35th anniversary edition of 1,000 copies lang on transparent blue vinyl. Okay? So this one is sealed. Syempre, I won't open it. Okay? Yan. Okay? Andyan yung Survivor. Survivor lang alam ko, Okay? This one also is a sealed. Kaya naubos pera ko Carpenters remastered on 180 gram vinyl, sealed to. Alam ko dito yung mga ano nila May maganda dito yung Now and Then. Okay? This one is also sealed. Cyndi Lauper, True Colors, limited edition, 2,500. Of course, like, come to think of it, like after 10 years or 15 years, then this would be like more expensive. I bought it for 1,900. Okay. Balik tayo dito. What else? Nagkaubos-ubos pera ko. So this one is also medyo mahal. 1,003, pero pwede na. This is Stranger in Town. This one is a regular album. Remastered by Toto. Ayun. Okay. Ano mga kanta nila dito? Stranger in Town. Yun lang alam ko. Ba't yun lang alam ko? Marami maganda rito Okay. Then, ito medyo mahal. Tutu. Tears for Fears, no? This is the classic album. Dito yung exclusive limited edition, picture disc. So this one is sealed. Ito yung May Everybody Wants to Rule the World, Shout, Working Hours, Mother Talk, yan. Head Over Heels, yun, yung mga sikat nila dyan. Then this one, ito. I mean, this one is reasonable, 1,400 because it's collector's item, no? And then it's a limited edition, no? And then 100 gram LP vinyl. Ibig sabihin, mabibigat yung groups niya. Okay, live in Montreux 1991. So this is the songs. I'll Be Over You, Africa, Rosanna. Okay. So, actually, dami ko pa sa Japan binili ng mga plaka. Anyway, at mamahal pala nito. 1,000,000 na yata. Anyway, this one 1,900. Gold, Best Spandau Ballet. Of course, this is sealed. Double album. So, this is Gold, True, Only When You Leave. This is Love. Communication, Lifeline. Round and Round. Through the Barricades, Highly Strung. Oh, yan. Sealed. Of course, my favorite band of all time. Kahit maubos pera ko. B-52s. Ay, no. And I've never watched them live. Music on vinyl, 180 gram. Audiophile. Vinyl pressing. I have another album of this one. It's a regular one. I think it's local or I don't know. So dito yung Party Out the Bounce, Devil in My Car, Dirty Back Road, Wig. So Dusty's Better. It's like a greatest hits, no? Rock Lobster, Strobe Light, Give Me Back My Man. Oh my God, that's my favorite. Song for a Future Generation. Ako, isa pa yung Planet Clear, 52 Girls, Private Idaho. The best. Is this sealed or what? I want to listen to this. Anyway. So, unboxing tayo. So, this one, This one is Boss Cags 1400. Greatest Hits Live. Uh, Premium vinyl again. US pressing. So double album. Oh damn, blah blah. Georgia's my favorite. Okay. We're all alone. So lahat yung sealed. And wala akong planong buksan. Collectors lang yan. Then another Carpenters. Made na yun, 1.5. Tapos remastered on 180 gram vinyl. You know, this is a classic album. Okay. And then we only just began, Top of the World, Ticket to Ride, Superstar, Rain Days, Mondays, etc. Hurting Each Other, Close to You. Andito na lahat. Next, Madonna, 2,100. Alam mo, medyo mura pa ito nabili ko sa kanila. Ngayon, they're selling this for like 2,500, 3,000 na. Yeah. So, double vinyl, greatest hits, sealed. So, yan, no? Holiday, Lucky Star, Borderline, Material Girl. But I bought, yung first album niya, I bought a sealed one again. Of course, ito naman mga collectible niya eh. Yung mga luma. So, yan. So, that's my first unboxing of vinyl records bought from Northwest Records or NEC.